Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Sadequl Islam. Today we will discuss about reasons behind inventory and types of inventory. Why need inventory? To know the demand forecast error, unpredictable or late deliveries from suppliers, to fix up the minimum order quantity, decide the supplier delivery interval, applying proper stocking methodology, recorder interval and quality, quantity, strategic stocking, purchase price advantage and opportunity cost, lead time offered to customers and supplier, necessary action for consignment stocking, minimization of delivery cost, to know the pipeline inventory, anticipation of precautionary stocks, proper financing, effective marketing and sales, ensure uninterrupted support to the operations and management information system. So we understand that inventory is very important for any manufacturing organization. And inventory across the organization. Inventory management is very important to accounting, which provides the cost estimates used in inventory control, pays suppliers and bills of customers. In finance, which deals with the implication of interest or investment, opportunity cost of inventory management, and anticipates how best finance management information systems when develops, maintains the managing inventories, marketing and sales, which creates the need for inventory system and rely on inventories to satisfy the customers. Operations, which has the responsibility to control the firm's inventories. Now, types of inventory. There are normal inventory. This is inventory required to support the normal replenishment process under conditions of certainty. If demand and lead times are constant, normal inventory is what the organization needs to meet customers' demand at a given point in time. However, this may not happen due to transportation, production or distribution economics of scale. Safety inventory. Surplus inventory that a company holds to protect against the uncertainty in demand. And pipeline inventory. Inventory moving from point to point in the materials flow is called pipeline inventory. There are some another inventory. Speculative inventory. This type of inventory is held other than meeting current demand. For example, the company may decide to buy and stock more than it needs if the event that it forecasts that price of materials will be raised, or supplier offers lower price of a large quantity in purchase at one time. Seasonal inventory. This type of inventory is accumulated in advance of significant selling season. If the majority of sales occur in relatively short projects of time, companies may stock seasonal. Dead inventory. No one wants this type of inventory, but it is held for a variety of reasons. Say, if company expects demand may create after a long time, or it may cost more to dispose of than it does to keep. If you have any question, put your question in comments box. And for getting next update, subscribe my channel, please. Thank you. Thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.